morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Thank you very much for passing by my channel. Today is the art wedding fish sauce. Okay, so you guys have been waiting for a long time, guys. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you very much for your subscribers, like, and your comments all the way. Thank you very much. Let me go straight to introduce my ingredients to you guys so you guys can see what I use to prepare that delicious fish sauce. Okay, forward to introduce the ingredients I'm going to use. Okay, the best if you like catfish, the best fish to use, maybe if you like any kind of fish, this is the best one I use to prepare my own. Okay, so you can go for every other fish, meat, chicken, and any kind of meat you want. Okay, so I'm going to start from telling you my fish. This is the fish I have. I don't really know the name of this fish, guys. Sorry, pardon me. I'm not used to studying the name of fish. Okay, so this is my veggies here. I have mixed pepper. I cut it in different size and shape. Okay, okay guys, so I am using middle onions here, and I'm going to use 2 carrots. I have already diced my 2 carrots here. I'm going to use 2 Spanish bonnet pepper. I have my mushrooms here, guys. This mushrooms is the one I have now. The big one, I have finished using it. I normally got this mushrooms fresh and cut it in the sizes I want and store them in the freezer because of this quarantine period. Okay, and not all the time that our supermarket is open, yes, but there was a time this market was not open, so I get to store my things in the freezer. Okay, here I have my pastry here. I have my spring onions here. It's frozen, guys. It doesn't matter, it's still fresh. I wash it very well, and I will just dice it and put it in the pot. And this I have a scent leaf, guys. As you can see how it is, it's from the freezer. Guys, pardon me, these are the things I have at home. I don't have much to go to start buying fresh things. Okay, so these are my spices, guys. So guys, I have my turmeric here. Everything I cook in this house, I like to add herbs, okay, to it. I have my curry here. I have my chicken, my fish sauce. No, this is fish spice here. I have my dry vegetable with salt here. My paprika here. I have a small amount of each, and I have my salt here, and I have Daphne. I don't know the name of Daphne in English. Okay, I call it Daphne. I think it's bay leaf, if I remember. Okay, so I have my thickener here, which is cornstarch, guys. This you will be adding it as you will mix it with water to dilute it. Okay, to thicken the sauce we are going to make with this fish. So right away I'm going to clean the fish properly inside and out and remove this and remove the tails. Okay, and I will be cooking this fish with the head. This recipe is not gonna take our time. It's around 30 minutes preparation and everything is done. And in this recipe you can eat it with rice, macaroni, spaghetti, noodles, and it's very beautiful and tastes nice, guys. Delicious meal is loading. Okay guys, be very generous, be very generous with the salt you're adding in this your fish, so that the fish can taste good inside and out. As you can see, I pour like half a cup of salt. Like I use salt a lot in this house. Okay, but forgive me guys, I don't know any other option. Okay, you can add vinegar to wash it. It depends. I like vinegar also, but salt, I want salt to enter inside and penetrate in the bones of this our beautiful fish, our nice fish. I don't eat all kinds of fish. I don't like catfish. I don't know reason, but I don't like catfish because it's so slimy. I don't like it for that reason. It makes me so feel how to say it, nausea. I don't know in Greek. I feel like to vomit. Okay, so guys, forgive me. This is you can use this kind of fish also, and you can use chicken. Like I said to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Leave your comments. Anyhow the comment is, it makes me, if I read your comments, I feel very happy and feel that I'm making some people to learn and to be happy. Okay, so these are and to encourage me, you have to leave your comment in the comment section. Okay guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, why not you be the first one to be notified. Okay, all right, share with your friends. Okay, everybody have their different ways of preparing their food. Like I tell you, I can't come to your house and tell you to do it that way, but you have to take some blessings from mine and you add to yours, and it come out beautiful and perfectly made. Okay guys. Okay guys, okay, welcome back. I don't know if it's after 2 hours, so because guys, being a mother of many children, when all of them left to school, I said let me just take a nap, do video, and I doze off, guys. Sorry. So I don't know if it's I think it's 3 hours, the 2 hours, not me, let me not lie, 2 hours. And here is, I have removed that water of the salt that the fish is soaked with for 2 hours, and I have added the fresh water above the pot. I will let I will spice it. I will not let it to start boil. I am holding it's bigger than my camera stand. I am using my tablet to do this. It's bigger than my phone stand, so I'm holding it in my hands, guys. Sorry guys, I will try to find out how I'm going to use stand to hold my tablet, because my tablet is quite brighter than my phone. I am using my phone, guys. Using my phone, please guys. So I will I will be cooking all the things together inside right now, but not all. I think I will put the spice, the onions first before the second and the third batch. I think I will have to divide it by 3 places. Okay guys, watch me as I am preparing this food, guys. Thank you very much. Okay guys, I have added my onions. The reason why I add my onions now is for the onions not to spoil the taste of my food. So I think I will be letting it to boil for like 10 minutes first, with the onions, pepper, and the salt in it. Then I will be adding the rest of the spices. Okay, so let me wait for it to boil for like 5 to 10 minutes. Here, I will check the time, guys. Sorry. Okay, so I added the carrot because carrot is quite hard. Okay, other vegetable, the pepper that I have, Another vegetable I have is not it's not hard at all. It's going to be soft to eat. This is the daphne. I added 2 of it, or will I say 1.5, because this one is bigger cut. It's of 2 small ones. Okay, so we let it boil for like 10 minutes. Guys, stop there. It's boiling right away, and the whole goodies of the fish is out. I will add my spices, guys. I will add my spices and let it boil for 5 minutes again, and I will add my peppers. Okay. Oh God, you can't believe the aroma that is coming out from this delicious fish sauce. Now I'm going to go ahead to mix my corn syrup or cornstarch. Okay. Wow, you see that amazing beautiful color here, guys? You see this? Okay, this is exactly how I want it. Okay, guys, so now I will add I have mixed my cornstarch here, and then we'll add my peppers, okay, to make the chicken sauce colorful. Okay, so I will let it boil. My estimated time for this fish sauce is 30 minutes. Okay, sorry guys, do you know that I added the corn syrup without showing you people the consistency of the corn syrup? Guys, look at it. I can add more little. I don't want it more than that. Okay, I'll add more. I have added the corn syrup, and this is what I get. So I will add all this. I have added all the vegetable inside the spring onions there. Okay, guys, this is ready. It's ready right now. As you can see the sauce. Okay, guys, you can actually add flour, all-purpose flour, which only you have already put oil, like the way we make pastiche. Okay, you can add the flour like that. This is very nice. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for passing by my channel. Please don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below, and I will read and get back to you guys. Okay guys, this is the way I prepare my fish sauce. Guys, enjoy this video. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye bye.